Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice container in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice container. The ice container is located on the left side of the top freezer drawer right under the ice maker. The most common reason to replace the ice container is if it's cracked or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Let's pull the top freezer drawer, and now we can remove the ice container. This is the old ice container next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. It's going to go in only one way properly. This side goes in first. Drop it down and place it in. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.